Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm just gonna be discussing things in terms of like my server and like things and life and yeah, because obviously it's gonna be like New Year soon. It's New Year's for me in 5 years. In 5 years, I meant 7 hours, and yeah, so pretty much just want to talk about the future of my amazing server that I have right here. So yeah, so the future of the server is interesting because I'm gonna be adding like a sort of like something called the Elite Games. That's what I want to call it. And these Elite Games are basically just basically the Squid Games, but in Minecraft, and they'll be running like 24/7 as a roleplay server. You'll be able to join it by going onto play.elitestarmc.net, and yeah, I think it's going to be really fun and interesting. And the only thing is that it's not really on the event server yet because I'm still setting it up. Well, not an event server because that's going to be separate, but it's not really on the server yet. But yeah, it's good. It'll be done soon. It's because I have a lot to do on the server, and obviously with having a lot of stuff to do. Alright, so obviously because I have a lot of things to do, it's not gonna come out yet, but it will come out in about a few days once this video is uploaded. And yeah, pretty much what my server is about is called Elite Star Network. Very creative, and we have a lot of custom unique ranks that you probably haven't seen on other servers before. We like to be very creative with how we do stuff around here. We don't like to just be boring. It's a good server if you guys want to join. And now I'm just waffling because here I am, a bit bored. It's almost New Year's. Yeah, but this is gonna be called the Elite Games though, because we don't like Squid Games. It's the Elite Games. Sounds better. Anyway, as you can see.
Oh, you stupid letter!
As I was gonna say. Shut off any arrows. But yeah, as I was gonna say, if you want to join, it's free to join. And every week, in fact, there's gonna be a new frontman. That's what I've decided on, having a new frontman every week, so that anyone can really get the chance.
Oh, but not you, Avery! Not you, Avery!
It'll be like the actual Squid Games, of course, with, well, it's significantly going to be improved because we're going to add like our own custom games and stuff to it. We're also going to be adding a space server as well. That part's not done yet. We're also going to be having a space server, like I just said, and you're going to be able to go to space, other planets. You can have like a space station if you want. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. And I don't really know what else to say. I know I haven't recorded in a while, but it's because I've been extremely busy with stuff. Not that way. I've been extremely busy with stuff, and I just want to also shout out to Revelant for helping to put some of this map together, which in fact it wasn't entirely made by him, but he was one of the main builders who built this shit. So like, yeah, if you have any map suggestions for him, you can give them to him because he's kind of like the guy who does all the stuff around here. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got to say for now. I mean, I don't really know what else.
Oh my god!
About is that? I hope you all have a happy New Year and that kind of shit. But like, don't really know what else you expect me to say. So I guess like another thing that I could probably talk about is like the future of the server, because obviously I want to have like a proper network. I don't just want to have a few servers, I want to have like a bunch of servers. And yeah, this video is also sponsored by KermitCloud, which I'll put up a video right now. I'll put an overlay. KermitCloud is a very good host client, and I highly recommend them because they're amazing. And they provide me with my server, and the servers are top quality to be fair. And yeah, that's pretty much it now. I don't know. I feel like this video is gonna be short, but I didn't really have a goal. I kind of just opened up the report after that. I was like, fuck it, I'll record something out. And yeah, I actually genuinely don't know what to say. But yeah, it's been an amazing year. I've been up to a lot of projects, some of which are going to be on my channel soon. I've also been working on the Broach bots. Those bots that I talked about a while ago. That wants to raid a state prison. That's still coming. Unfortunately, it's going to be difficult because I actually need a bunch of servers to do it. I need approximately 120 servers to make 100,000 bots run, which is not really doable for me right now. But it's a future project. Hopefully, it'll get finished. The panel sort of works. It's been tested out with a few bots, but yeah, it's nothing crazy right now. Nothing crazy. It's probably just like scratching service, like the basics. And yeah, that's about it. So I guess it's been an amazing year. I would like to thank KermitCloud, and I would like to thank Relevant Red, and I would like to thank all of my slaves that have helped me on my server.
Oh yes, Doc, I'm talking about you. Andrew Avery, oh my god.
Don't worry, next year's gonna be the same. New year, same me, I guess. But yeah, so I'm expecting her to hire some new slaves on my server. So if you want to become a slave, make sure you join the Discord server so you can become one of my slaves. And if you do become a slave, you get perks. For example, oh shit, hang on. Let me see what exactly I can give you guys for free. Oh shit, I've literally just doxed like, okay, blur that out. But yeah, if you guys really want to know what my slaves get, you will get some special rewards. For example, oh shit, that's not finished setting up. You can get something like, hang on, I really don't know what I can give. These are the ranks. Oh yeah, I'm adding 3 new ranks as well, so you could probably get like, if you become my slave, you could probably get like one of these good ranks, maybe. And if maybe you can get this. Maybe you can get some free claim blocks as well. Or maybe we can get an unban as well. I sell unbans because obviously, no, it's not pay to win, guys. It's not pay to win. I swear. It's just that, why be banned? Like, if you want to get unbanned, like, you can just pay to be unbanned. But like, if you do anything after that, you're gonna be banned straight away again. So it doesn't really matter. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh yes, it's always the black ones.
But yeah, that's pretty much it now. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I might throw in some extra clips of something. I don't know. Actually, nah, I can't be asked for any of this. Okay, I'll put more effort from New Year, guys. But right now, I really could be asked to do any of this. And yeah, I really don't know what I'm doing now. So we're back to the Squid Game. But yeah, it's been an amazing year, and yeah, do you know what? That's it, guys. That's it. I'm trying to make out some next level banger, but it's not really doable right now. It's not doable, guys. It's not doable. But yeah, have a happy New Year, guys, and shout out to me, shout out to myself, and shout out to because I am amazing, because I'm Broach. Anyways, that's gonna be it, and next year, suck my dick. Oh, never mind. Next year, have a happy new year, guys, and next year also have a happy new year. And if you want to suck my dick, you can hire me on Discord. And if you need a Discord kitten, I will have a link to it in the bio. It's a person called Hooligan Cow. They will be your Discord kitten. And yeah, this was an amazing quality video. So I hope you guys like it, because I'm definitely gonna put a lot of hours into editing it as well. Hey, what's this? Oh shit! Oh yeah, this is my office. But yeah, guys, high quality video right here. Anyways, without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hey, shit. Okay, okay. Wait, what was I gonna say? And yeah. Oh yeah. Now I remember. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Um, you can subscribe if you want, but like if you don't, I'm gonna get a bit angry. And have a great new year. And Broach doesn't give a shit about you. Bye. Oh my god. Oh yeah, guys. One more thing. Okay. Next year, I will also be doing VR videos. I have a great banger coming out soon. It's a VR Pavlov Shack, Simon Says. There's going to be racist moments. There's going to be sexual moments. There's going to be funny moments. You're going to get the whole package. And yeah, guys. I hope you guys enjoy your new year. Goodbye.